true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Boss Vegeta 1 here. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike and Jordan GR each year. So if you like sneakers, you found the right channel. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. This one reads the Nike Dunk High SP Black Varsity Maize. Here that has the laces on it. These up for all the dunk lovers out there. Making this channel or making this video for all you guys. Materials on this shoe are buttery soft, so if you love dunks, I can't see why you wouldn't buy this dunk. Reminds me of the Jordan 1 Pollins, basically the same colorway. I don't know how this tag got up here, but we'll put it back into the shoe. A bad shoe at all, in my opinion. It's pretty decent. See some errors on my shoe, but what are you gonna do, eh? Guys, some top action. So you get a black toe, yellow laces in the shoe. You get an extra pair of white and black laces. So you have the yellow mudguard with the black toe, black regular leather background on the yellow Nike swoosh. Back to more of the maize yellow. Back you get the normal dunk break up to the black, a little bit of maize yellow. Cats running around doing damage. More maize yellow on the bottom to the white, back to the yellow break up. Basically the same thing on this side of the shoe. All to the maize yellow bottom. In my opinion, this is a pretty good dunk. We know if you guys went for this dunk, are you gonna go for these dunks? What do you guys think about dunks, period? Oh, my cat's back. Don't get cats, guys. Time to get to my precious sneakers. Get guys another 360. Like I said, yellow laces in the shoe. Extra pair of white and black laces. Let me show you, see if you guys can see the inside. This is yellow inside of the shoe. Should show you just what light was on. That matters to you, yellow insole. You guys look at this shoe, what it's gonna look like on your feet. You know what shoes you guys are buying. You know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel. And above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.